Hey guys, welcome to Trading the Charts. My name is Rex and this is Tesla Weekly Analysis number 53 for week ending October 9, 2021. On Monday, Tesla was up 0.8%, closing at 781.53. It surged and easily broke into the orange channel, however it did not hold. The overall market prevented Tesla from having an otherwise very bullish day to just a relatively flat day, only up 6 points. It did outperform the overall market as a majority of stocks were in the red, including tech growth stocks. Clearly, Tesla would have easily cleared the bottom of the orange channel if it weren't for the sell-off in the overall indices. So the bottom of the orange channel remains to be a major resistance level Tesla will need to break above at around 785. As I mentioned in last week's video, once it breaks back into the orange channel, it will more than likely run up to retest the major resistance of the bottom of the green channel, which currently lies at around 840. Breaking back into the green channel is the key indication of a strong continuation of a bull rally, as the green uptrend channel is a trend line that goes back to August of last year. Breaking into this channel would reestablish itself within this long-term uptrend channel and make for a bullish case for a run to the top of the green channel, which currently lies at around 1050. On Tuesday, Tesla was down 0.1%, closing at 780.59. It had a false breakout into the orange channel again as it ended the day closing below the channel. The bottom of the orange channel remains to be resistance as Tesla continues to bounce around the bottom of this channel. However, I do remain bullish because if we look at the weekly chart, Tesla is maintaining its uptrend with support at the bottom of the channel. On Wednesday, Tesla was up 0.3%, closing at 782.75. It traded pretty much flat for the day as it once again ran into resistance of the bottom of the orange channel at its intraday highs, hitting 786. An interesting thing to make note of is the RSI. It's been trading within the range of 50 to 70 as it continues to coil, as if it is gearing up for a big breakout above 70 sooner than later. So that's something I'll definitely keep my eye on. Not much else to say, only that the picture still favors the bulls, as we are maintaining a solid uptrend going back to May 19, as shown by the yellow line. The 50 and 200-day moving average are both also in a steady upward slope, with the 50-day moving average above the 200-day moving average, which is also a bullish indicator. On Thursday, Tesla was up 1.4%, closing at 793.61. It finally broke into the orange channel ever so slightly at just above 790. Now Tesla will need to prove that it can hold within this channel, and hopefully the bottom of the orange channel, which currently lies at 790, can now act as support going forward. If it manages to hold above this level, I can easily see Tesla making a run towards resistance of the bottom of the green channel, which currently lies at around 850. I want to reiterate that breaking back into the green channel would be an extremely bullish signal in my opinion, because it would reestablish itself within a long-term uptrend channel that goes back to August of last year. On Friday, Tesla was down 1%, closing at 785.49. It tried to find support at the bottom of the orange channel as it continues to struggle for direction, bouncing around above and below this trend line, which currently lies at around 790. We could continue to trade like this until the next upcoming catalyst, which would be the 2021 third quarter earnings coming out later this month. My presumption is that bulls will prevail and capture the bottom of the orange channel pending the earnings report, if not sooner than that. I remain bullish near to long term for reasons I have stated earlier, and I will reiterate for you again. First, Tesla has been uptrending since May 19 as shown by the yellow line. Second, Tesla is trading well above the 50 and 200-day moving average, both of which are steadily rising. These are bullish indicators. Third, on the weekly chart, we are trading within an uptrend channel with clear support of the bottom of the channel. It is only a matter of time that Tesla starts to push its way higher, making its way towards the top of the channel, which, as you can see, would take Tesla stock to around $1,100. Fourth, on the monthly chart, we have a similar story. It is trading in a clear uptrend channel with well-defined support of the bottom of the channel. A push to the top of this channel would take Tesla stock to around $1,000. Lastly, on the daily chart, if I'm correct and Tesla recaptures the bottom of the orange channel, it will easily make a push to the bottom of the green channel at around 855. The bottom of the green channel is a critical resistance point to break above, because as I mentioned before, this channel trendline goes back to August of last year. By reestablishing itself back within this long-term channel, it would signal for a continuation of this trendline, possibly to the top of the green channel, which currently lies at $1,065. Therefore, my price target for the near long term is a minimum of $1,000 to $1,100, according to the daily, weekly, and monthly chart that I just showed you. To the downside, we have support of the top of the consolidation zone at 765, then 730. Below that, support would come in at the 50-day moving average at 734, followed by the support of the 200-day moving average and the yellow uptrend line, which both currently lie at around 704. So those are my price predictions for next week. Bull case, we must recapture the level above 790 first. Above that, and we will see key resistance at 855. A break above that would be an enormously bullish sign for a run to all-time highs between $1,000 and $1,100. Bear case, we have support at 765, then 730. A break lower and we would see support come in at 734. If it continues to fall below that, we will see major support at around 704. Now, on to Tesla news. Tesla delivered 241,300 vehicles in the third quarter, topping expectations. Tesla delivered over 241,000 electric vehicles during the third quarter of 2021. The quarter's deliveries topped expectations. Analysts predicted that Tesla would only deliver around 220,900 electric cars. Tesla produced 237,823 cars in the period ending September 30, 2021. Of that, 228,882 were its Model 3 and Y vehicles, its more affordable mid-range offerings. The remainder produced amounted to 8,941 of its Model S and X vehicles. Last quarter, Tesla delivered 201,250 vehicles and produced 206,421 cars, even as production of its Model S and X vehicles fell below 2,500. That makes it 20% growth quarter over quarter. Compared to a year ago, Tesla delivered 145,000 cars in quarter 3 of 2020. That makes it a 73% growth year over year. Some key takeaways from Tesla's annual shareholder meeting as tweeted by Gary Black. Tesla will move its headquarters to Austin, Texas. There will be no stock split anytime soon. Giga Austin and Giga Berlin will open in fourth quarter with limited production. Tesla will start search for new factory in 2022. Cybertruck will begin production late 2022. And lastly, there is no comment on Tesla's $25,000 model car. And by the way, if you guys want to support the channel and get a free stock worth up to $221.50, be sure to use my referral link in the description below to sign up for Robinhood. Thanks for watching, guys. Please hit that thumbs up if you enjoyed the video and subscribe for more content.